motion picture quality. Today, high-quality, low-cost dye transfer prints can also be made from Eastman, Ansco, and other similar color negative materials. Additionally, we invite your attention to the fact that our registered trademark Technicolor, which identifies the products and services of the Technicolor companies, is no longer used in the credit phrase in Technicolor. The proper credit phrases now used are print by Technicolor and color by Technicolor.
Technicolor motion pictures in full natural color are available for use in the industrial motion picture field using the same skilled personnel, facilities, and processing as are used in Technicolor studio features. All the well-known everyday scenes, settings, and backgrounds for industrial pictures take on added interest and appeal when photographed in Technicolor. At the harbor, along the railroad, a factory, or a busy street, they all have added eye appeal, have more attention value in Technicolor. This, a comparatively new medium for advertising, combines quality, increased value, and realism with action to motion picture advertising. Technicolor prints are available in both 16mm and 35mm sizes. Nature is lavish in her use of color. Smart manufacturers are using more and more color in their products to make them beautiful as well as useful. The new streamlined plastics present a colorful array. The great range of hues and shades in plastic products presents a challenge for reproduction that is easily met. The beautiful glossy sheen and luster of colorful modern rayons are strikingly shown. Plaids and color patterns can be shown in their true value only by using color. Texture, weave, and pattern of woolen fabrics are reproduced in color so accurately that a film could be used to replace the sample books of salesmen. The delicate differences in textures of drapery materials between glossy or soft matte surfaces are clearly shown. In canned goods, groceries, and food products, color identifies the package, and quick and added recognition is the result. How flat and uninteresting these packages would look in black and white photography. Would you like to see? All right, young lady with the magic cloth, show us. There. How flat and uninteresting. So back we go to full color and the realistic package that we all know so well. The humble vinegar bottle makes a sparkling gem of color. Package and product identification. The golden brown flakes of cereal products are readily identified. Beverages are ideal for display in color. Whether or not the liquid is brightly colored, it has a sparkle and a convincing quality when delicate pastel shades in soap products and in soap cakes are faithfully shown in Technicolor. Many different shades of lipstick are manufactured, though photographically these differences are very small. Yet the Technicolor process accurately separates these colors. This assortment of Milady's toilet articles, rouge, lipstick, powder, soap, and perfumes illustrates the quality and texture that real three-color reproduction brings to these attractive objects. A lady selects her makeup to suit her evening gown, and the differences in shades of color in the rouge are illustrated. The beauty of rich, sparkling sheer glass is enhanced in color. Any color distortion or degrading would be instantly recognized. Color enhances the beauty of these settings, and in Technicolor, it's possible to capture the full range of colors in nature, whether it's cigarettes or something else you have to sell. Any picture using a natural outdoor setting is greatly improved if portrayed in Technicolor. Inner dramatic and pictorial quality can be made to enhance a mood or effect, to put over the desired quality or atmosphere of a scene. Thus, this simple little setting for a night scene creates a mood that fits the occasion. Color provides the realism to foods which is so important for building appetite appeal in showing such products. Color is essential to properly picture scenes of foods. The pictures of these foods and beverages assume a third-dimensional roundness in color. They step out of their conventional black and white setting and become part of the tasty, wholesome, appetizing dinners we know so well. Not only is the color of these carpets a thing of beauty, but the texture and weave of the material are easily distinguished. Faithfulness of color reproduction is important on these glossy linoleums. Who could resist these colorful patterns? The lady knows what she wants. Rich, cheery design, so vivid and alive. Modern houses are interesting and attractive, particularly with the colored roofing materials, such as these, which can be shown in improved detail by using Technicolor. A group of trained operators helps in the selection of paints, fabrics, materials, and wardrobe, all aimed toward displaying a product or person, the principal object, to the very best advantage. Following through from a sketch design to the finished set, the guiding hand of this special service is an important part of attaining the perfection of color that has become the keynote of Technicolor.